everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a bit of a different subscription to share with you. I haven't unboxed one of these on my channel for a long while. It is Barry's Cactus Club, and as the name suggests, it's a subscription all about cactuses and succulents as well. I love this subscription. I've been a subscriber for about nearly 3 years. I can't remember now, for a long while. It's a little bit different to beauty, and my living room downstairs, I've got cactuses everywhere. You think I have one a month. I did have a few up here, but I kept forgetting to water them and they've just shriveled up and died. Some of them are growing, some of them aren't. I'm not very good at looking after plants, hence why most of the plants in my house are fake. But the cactus is quite hard to kill off, I thought, anyway. But yeah, some have gone, unfortunately. But I love them. I love them. And it's a dog deterrent to stop my dog from jumping up on the chairs and leaning over looking out the windows, because obviously she's unfortunately had a few little pricks, so she won't go near it anymore. So Barry's Cactus Club is a UK only subscription. It costs £15 a month, and that includes your shipping. Inside you'll receive a succulent or a cactus, you'll receive a ceramic pot, you'll also receive a card giving you details about your plant, how to look after it, when to water it, information about where it came from, plus you get sent some freebies in there as well. I have a refer a friend code which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box, which is Geek5. I'll pop the code down below in my description, as well as a link to the subscription if you're interested in taking a look for yourself. And also you'll find all my other discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got currently running as well down below, so you're welcome to take a look there. When you first sign up to the subscription, I remember I received a booklet, and it's a little booklet where you can slot in your cards. They offer a monthly subscription where you can cancel any month, and a 3 and 12-month subscription as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If you want to know any more, then please ask away. But yeah, let's show you then what's inside the April box. That's what it looks like. It says, "Howdy cactus lovers, the days are longer and warmer and hopefully sunnier, and as your spiky little pals wake up from their winter nap, you may notice that some species are starting to flower." Yes, I am. "Many cacti live in arid regions where water is scarce and temperatures can be extreme. So to ensure their survival, they've evolved some nifty tricks to conserve moisture and store nutrients." And it goes on to telling you tips to encourage flowering. It's like bright, direct sunlight. So reducing water in the dormant months, ensuring they're not overwatered and well drained, which I think is my problem. But I'm getting better. A cactus hasn't died in a long time. Okay, so I've got 2 here. So what's this? This is my freebie. There's a can. What's this? No added sugar. This is Dulson's. Ooh, real squeezed lemon and sparkling water. I'm obsessed with lemons. That's perfect for me. So I've got a can. There's a little information booklet about the can, but it says how to make a Dulson's cactus can. So you can grow a cactus in there. It's got information on how to do it. That'd be quite cool actually, because if you get a few of them, use for your cans. This is my plant. It is called a fishhook cactus. Now this guy is a rare find. It's only ever been spotted in one teeny tiny spot in Canada Virgin Guanajuato state, smack dab in the middle of Mexico. It's classed as critically endangered because there's only a few of them left. Less than 250 individuals. Oh my gosh. It says people are illegally snatching them up, causing the population to decline even further. And yeah, he sprouts pink flowers. So on the other side then, it tells you about water, sunlight, and additional information. So it's this little card that you'd put in your little folder. Okay, I've got to be really careful now. Which way is it? Oh, there's flowers already. And it's got like a crown. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, look at it, see? Sticking. I like the pot. That is so nice. That is so nice. And look. It's got little flowers already. Oh, that's cute. Got a little crown. Crown of pink flowers. Oh, I love that. So that's the April Barry's Cactus Club subscription box. Got a cactus in a pot. We've got a card telling you all about it and how to look after it. We've got a little information card all about cactuses. And our freebie is a can. I've got lemon and sparkling water. and additional information on how you can turn it into a cactus pot on the back there. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this subscription? Do you subscribe to any other plant subscriptions? I'd love to hear. I'd love to find out if there's any more out there. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.